Hi guys, Mia from Mia's World and welcome back to our channel. Our flyover today consists of the island of Aruba. Surrounded by the desert landscapes and ocean blues, this little hilltop chapel has been spreading peace and good vibes since 1952. Flying above Aruba, we've headed to one of the island's hidden gems, the Alta Vista Chapel. With views like this, it's easy to see why it's a favorite spot for locals and travelers alike. Guys, if you love views like this, please remember to hit that subscribe button and join Mr. Aerial Drone and I for more epic flyovers. Ciao for now.